Welcome to the maritime city of Oswego. The connection, not just seafaring, also check out this racetrack. Asphalt covered in dirt. It is the home of Super Dirt Week 52, and we are glad you are joining us today.
I'll see you guys. Thanks, man.
Morning.
Yeah, did you have a cup of coffee? Yeah, he's the one that took easy. Does you guys stay nice? I might have to come back for clothes.
It's supposed to be high of like 65 today.
My plan is to watch my seat for dinner and come back, get clothes, and then come watch a bunch of
like a
people
great
bike.
plan.
So I don't have much else there.
Yep.
So good morning, guys. We're.
Is this on?
Oh yeah, yeah. I'll
Oh,
have to do some cutting. Don't worry, it's fine.
it smells a little dirty.
No, it's cracked.
Oh, it looks like there's silicone like on that one little thing.
No,
like,
it's-
she tried to patch
She
it.
just keeps
It's
smashing
cracked.
it into things.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know what's funny, guys?
What?
How many people have actually viewed video off this little phone?
I know.
If you
It's all
think about it,
cracked
right?
up.
It's all cracked
Yeah.
and stuff.
It's pretty bad. But we're heading in to the racetrack. We got Mike's got, well, it's all 358s today. So Mike's doing heat races, which we already timed for line us up. Got heat races, what is it, 150?
Yeah.
Right? 150 lapper.
Salute the troops.
Salute the troops. This guy's got some, I don't know, I guess maintenance going on in his car, right? Because you race tomorrow.
Yep, thank God Mike's holding the right ship this weekend. He's got the flag, carrying it, and I'm bringing up the tails, so I gotta figure out how to catch the flag. It's like the old game, catch the flag.
Capture the flag.
Capture the flag,
Capturing
that's
the
it, catch
flag.
the flag. There you go. There you go. Mike got me there.
I liked Manhunt.
Man,
That was fun.
now
Oh,
we're
man,
really
that's
talking
good.
about it.
Love that chicken.
Anybody ever been to Popeyes?
It's Shiznay. That's what I hear.
That's what I heard
Nikki.
too. It looked open last night. I was almost half tempted.
Where are you?
McDonald's was
Well,
open.
oh,
They
we
must-
had
they
bowling
must have-
alley food. You had your pizza logs.
I did.
They have Popeyes on the thruway. It's better than nothing.
Well, they're up and at 'em nice and early. Everybody else, we're rolling. Dave's making it look like it's gonna be nice and warm today. We'll see. Now to see if I get any service at all, any good Wi-Fi to upload last night's video. Here's hoping. We're doing quite a bit over here. What's happening?
We're fixing what we messed up here, you know? Got the body apart, we've been working. We were up early and we're trying to get somewhere.
Alright. They're on it.
Morning. So I'll go over a few procedural things for the day, folks. As of right now, we're still at just a touch over 100 cars. Top 6 obviously already locked in from yesterday. We're going to break you into 4 heat races today. They will be 20 laps apiece. Top 6 cars that are not yet already locked in will be locked in. All cars that qualify will go to the scales, and that number may vary per race dependent on the locked in cars that are finishing up front.
Consensus from the drivers' meeting is that they're trying to monitor the mules. So now each team is only allowed to bring 1 mule into the infield for a hot pit. Totally makes sense. And organizing where the mules are, because 4 heats, 100 cars all crammed in with the cars and the crew and the mules for heat races, it's a little much. So they tried organizing it so like heat 1 and 2 mules and cars are gonna line up on the hot pit. 3 and 4 are gonna be in the cold pit. Let's see. I give them props. They're seeing it. I think they're listening. So here's the open.
So this is the transmission.
I really think I should just hire someone just to follow me. I know. But let me tell you what. Running all around, trying to you cooking? He doesn't know yet. Just non-stop. Holy crap. Since what time did I wake up at, like 7? Run on 5 hours. It's fine. Everything's fine. So I don't even know, guys, like, I don't even know what heat we're in. Mike's rolling out right now. Well, everyone's rolling into the track for heat races. I got my GoPros. I need to take a second. So rolling in for the qualifiers. Mike told me we're in the 3rd heat. I do not know where we start, but I do know I need to go with infield. So I'll let you know as soon as I find out. I always have this fear of getting to this gate and then being like, nope, sorry, you can't cross. And then there goes my whole day. Oh, just in time. Woo!
All right.
Hey, sir.
Have a great day.
You too. What a gentleman. All right. We made it, guys. We made it. And we're doing it all over again. Like Groundhog Day. Where's my man? Found him.
Row number 3 is Mike Mahaney in the 35 with the 9S of 3-time champion Matt Shepard. Green lights are on. Drag race into turn number 1 and 2. And the second place racer, Noah Walker there into runner-up position as they work off of turn number 2. Rocky Warner back there in 3rd. Now we got a 3-way battle back there, Timmy, down to turn number 3 for the 5th spot.
Well, Mike Mahaney and Tim Sears Jr. trying to split Will Thomas into turn 3. Thomas had no part of it. Mahaney back to that inside lane as they scramble again down into turn number 3 and 4. Good battle here from positions 4 on back.
Great racing back here mid-pack. Meanwhile, up front, Matt Shepard is checked down. Tim Sears, he is going to take a page out of Shepard's book up on the outside down to turn number 3. He's going to make it work, and he's going to grab a couple of spots when they got down between 3 and 4.
Down across the line this time by Shepard, well out in front with Walker and Warner 2 and 3 right now. Tim Sears Jr., Mike Mahaney back there, position number 5. One and 2 rather, we'll keep our eye on him moving very slowly, and he may bring it to a stop down here on the back straightaway. We'll keep an eye on him, but right now still clean and green with Shepard still in control. Look.
Caution lap 13. We're in 5th. We're just underneath the 22. And the guy brings out a caution and stops right where he can exit.
Looking to hold on as he heads up into turn number 3 and 4 at the VP Racing Fuels making PowerPoint. 7 to go, and they come back to the line. Green lights back on, charging down into turn number 1 and 2. It's Ricky Warner third, Mike Mahaney fourth, Mark Johnson fifth.
Pull the hood. Half inch wrench. I'm just over here. I'm just over here delegating. Don't worry about me, guys.
Well, we had a hard time yesterday getting it to not flip when we put it on.
See that right there? Yeah, which when it broke, we definitely did that.
What do we have, like a cart on top of a cart? I like it.
Alright.
Pretty open already. New ring.
Just open her up.
Here's the question you drive off. So hit the left front of the ground on the inside, hook around the wall, and then fence is coming off too. Where when you go to the top, you don't have any brown for the left front stick fix there. You're in the black. So there's nothing to steer from.
I need a piece of tape.
How did you make it out?
Good.
Good.
The spare's ready. This is the, oh shit, left front spare.
Yeah.
Oh shit. That's good to have. Does it say oh shit?
Yep.
Oh shit.
You need to make it idiot proof.
Front spare.
I love it. Just gonna videotape Jacob struggling. Someone's wristband got a little too tight. You're gonna lose your hand, dude.
I might.
Alright.
I can do that.
Oh my god.
You know I love when you do this, right? When I get everything ready to go and you're like, you know, maybe we should race type all those. It makes sense. I'm not arguing with you.
Pretty cute.
It's not even tight.
No, I can feel it. No, that's tight.
That's tight. It's literally like cutting my circulation off.
Let's see if I can fix yours.
They don't fit in there.
Oh, it will.
Oh, they will.
Hey. Oh, look at that.
All right, we're all set now.
How the hell did you do that?
Want to check my joint?
What'd you do? Just pull?
Yeah.
Trying to loosen up this thing.
So you just get one side and then pull that side.
Just put a screwdriver there and put it inside of the teeth.
Yeah.
And then it'll pull it back out.
We're using that zip tie. It's working great.
Put it in the car.
Well, you can't yet because you got to put the yoke bolts on.
Oh.
So these got to be pulled out.
We're trying to do the math in our head. Let me tell you what, like, I can do, it's hilarious. I can do lineup math. Any other math, I just don't need it. I don't use it. But why we finished 4th and 3rd heat and started 21st had us all thinking, where did they mess up? But because there were 6 guys that had locked into times, and then some ran their heats, some didn't run their heats, that bumped up a lot more guys in front of us, even though we finished 4th. And we started 21st. I know. I almost went up there and been like, excuse me, I think we have an issue. But I'm glad I got my little paper and pen out and figured that out, because I would look like a BITC. But you gotta question it. Always question it. But you're wrong, you're wrong. If you're right, you found a gray area.
Basically, as soon as the rear 2 tires are changed, at that point the fuel level can get checked. Like, so in other words, you're gonna come talk to me first.
Yep.
We'll figure out if we need something from behind the wall to get.
And then once the back of the
Once the back of the car is down, then you're gonna check the fuel level. So you might as well talk to me, then pull the hood off, and do all that stuff while they're changing the tires. Put them somewhere where you got them. Yeah, like, because that's something. That's something that'll take more time than.
Said that. Make sure there's extra pins now.
Right, because like that's the dumbest thing ever, to be worrying about where the foot pins are.
Set them immediately on top of the wall.
What I'll probably do is just stick them back in the thing. I stick them right
Well,
back.
I mean, I can put them in my pocket. If I'm the one pulling the pins, I'll put them in my pocket.
Yeah.
That way they're not falling somewhere we don't know, and they're not going to come out my ass.
If you want to, just give it to Mike. I don't think you're not going to have a whiteboard, right?
No, we have a whiteboard.
Oh, yeah, he's going to have
now,
a whiteboard.
Let's talk about that belt a little bit. Like, there's a potential that front belt rips off again, or it's flipped over or whatever, and you take a pair of dikes, cut it off, and just run the rear belt.
Yeah. Do we have a pair of
Like,
dikes?
that rear belt hasn't had an issue this whole time, so why do we need 2?
And now we gotta like clean up, put stuff away. Infield cart is all set and ready to rock.
To keep the pit stop the way it is. They were going to change the rear tires first and then go with the front.
That's fine. My only thought was is that if you were going to change gear or something like that, the right front's the only thing you're going to, you know what I mean? Once that's done, then you can jack the back of it out, and if you got to work,
and you could leave it.
Right.
And then the other thing is if you did the front first, you could talk to me about the stagger, so you know what to give them to put on it.
Well,
when they change the rears.
You ran that, so you just have to tell me if you need less or more.
I know, but if they're over the wall and they already changed both rear tires, and I'm like, I want more.
Right.
And then I got to change them again.
Right.
Kind of a new plan. So I'm gonna come in and talk to Chip about what stagger we're gonna run. So they should just jack up the front under the right front shock mount and change the right front, so we figure out what rear tires we're actually putting on before the back of the car gets jacked up. Also, before the back of the car gets jacked up, you can check the fuel level while the car's still sitting flat.
So maybe this might be like a late tip by the time y'all watch this, but crew members, if you want to get in here like quick enough, I mean, I don't really know what the hurry is, but I sure as hell am not waiting in that long ass line of people with mules. It's backed up out the kazoo, and I'm just walking right by them, and you just cross the track, and no one's really here yet. The Pro Stocks just finished their features, so I'm here by myself. I don't have to wait in a crazy line of mules and endless people, and you just walk across. So if you don't like waiting lines, that's my Mandee tip for the day. Oh, there you are. Yeah, 21, that's us. So, we got this. Look at these guys, they're on it. So, based on how we qualified, it goes down the row. So whoever's like the top qualifier, they get first pick on their pit stall. Mike likes this side, so we went with 21. It was literally the last before us that was left on this side, close enough to the front, because surgery table. Just lay them out. Are they disinfected, Shane? Are your tools disinfected for surgery?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Don't forget.
We just hot tooed on it.
Oh, come on. Did you?
We spit on that thing.
You would.
Phoenix.
Okay. Line up the guys.
Billy Dunn. 49. Billy Dunn.
Huntington Township, Pennsylvania. And the home of
Can't take him anywhere.
Fantastic. All right. So
Hey, the boys are ready. Dad's even here for the fun. 150 laps. Okay, so my race pass is way off, but Schilling brought out the first caution, lap 2. My race passes were 13th. I wish I was accurate, but we're 19th. Someone else come. Oh wait, maybe it wasn't Schilling, or I don't know. Oh, the first 4 caution laps count, and then they freeze the lap count up until 120, something like that.
It's Mike Mahaney on the back straightaway. He caught the wall a ton over there, just off of turn number 2. Yellow lights are back on at lap 7.
Mahaney turned around facing the opposite way over there in turn number 2, just before the Australian gate.
A lot of big races and championships. Won the Airborne 358 Modified Championship. Was able to pull away from this one. That's something you don't expect to see when you hit the boilerplate here, but he is going to take it to pit road.
Yeah, I'm going to take a good look at it. The left wheel it looked like it had a little bit of a wobble to it there.
Check the front end.
How's the front end doing? Up!
oh shit, do we have sparrow shits? Oh yeah. She's all bent up. Change of events. Lap 10. Got turned around. But more so left rear. They checked, glanced over quick, front end. Seemed okay. Just when I was saying to myself mentally, like, let's get around these few people and then we'll be okay. Now we're starting. Dead last, it's fine. Only 140 laps to go. Is traveling back up just in case he comes back in to get checked. Still in lap 10. I don't know if I can do this, guys. I don't know if you want to listen to me every caution. Larry's probably blowing oil all over us. I got the tear-offs ready for the halfway break. Lap 78 caution. I think we're in 25th. We're a lap down. I think Friesen's lapped up to, oh, Yankowski brought the caution, up to 18. So we're not the only ones lapped down, but it's not fun being lapped down. But you can get your lap back. But we were discussing that he probably won't come into pit, because if we come in, then we have to go tail into the longest line with lap cars. Oh my god, look at Larry right now. He's killing all the mosquitoes. So we would lose everything that we just gained. So we're gonna stay out to lap 100, do our pit stop.
We get ready to roll here and go back to green flag racing. Stuart Friesen on the front, but now he's got Matt Williamson back next to him, who's been trying to chase him down for the past 30 laps or so. As we'll go back to green, 81 laps complete here in the salute to the troops, 150.
Friesen to the point. Williamson back to second. Lance Willix, Gary Lindbergh fighting for second.
Lap 92, caution, we are in 21st. After lap 90, you can take fuel. that job. Or, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Well, now they're telling me it's any laps between 90 and 100 is the competition caution. Just got my timer ready. Okay. Not ready for this.
This is officially our competition caution here on lap number 92.
So once all drivers have stopped and the motors have shut off, then the horn will be sounded, and then the drivers can go, or the crews can go to work on their race cars.
Tear-offs? I have tear-offs. Okay.
Like 4?
Yes. I would just be, you know. Go. Or not. Do something different. You got 4.5, you're good.
What's that?
Three quarter. What?
Mandy, give me a flathead.
Screwdriver?
We have a flathead screwdriver.
Two and a half. He would get out of the car.
Hang out, dude. 15-6. I need 3/4.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. I have a screwdriver. If anyone needs a screwdriver. You're doing great. A minute and 40.
Gotta loosen this side up.
Minute and a half, guys.
How much, Mike?
Hey, Mike. Jacob, check under the rear of the car.
All right, we're good then.
Eyeball it.
You're right.
1 minute. 1 minute. Yes.
Touching the nose or back to the no, but did it get pushed when it hit the wall the first time must be? It was actually the shock mount's bent and it's cracked. Yeah, the stud is now, the bolt that goes through it is up like this, but it is what it is. We don't have a collar. The shock mount is twisted. If I had a collar, I would have slid one down. Amazon that shock mount.
Gonna get ready to go back to green as they make their way down here off of turn number 4. Matt Williamson gonna stand on the gas. Gonna bring them down here to turn number 1. It'll be your leader when they exit turn 2.
Spot Felix Waugh, the point leader, is 7th as they click off lap number 129, but they come back to the line this time by it. Matt Williamson has dominated the last portion of this event.
Hollywood has made his way to 7th, and he was really pressuring Eric Rudolph there.
Mark Johnson having a good run so far as well. He's up into the 8th spot.
Well, I really would have liked to have had a caution so we could have gotten our lap back, so we could have fought a little bit, but it's like there's no use or no point in passing the cars in front of you if you're a lap down. You can't gain those positions, so we're like hanging out. Never got a caution. We were the last person. We're the last person. Like if the next caution came out, we would have gotten the lap back. Needless to say. So we got 19. That's all I got. We got 19. Technically, we did go forward. Where did we start? 22nd? We finished 19th. There's always something positive to think about, other than all these people trying to get out of here all at once. So no. Oh no.
Car was a handful, huh? Pretty disappointed. This is my favorite car. Wrecked the shit out of it. Over nothing. Or fucking 20th.
Yeah.
Alright, friends, your girl lost the GoPro. Must have been, what, lap 10 when we hit the wall. So probably, if still there. Oh yeah, that's off. Oh, if it's still there, I guess I'm gonna have to go look for it, but I highly doubt it. So hey, if anyone happens to find a GoPro 7 on the track, can you come find me? Please. I'd like it back.
That'll do it.
Yeah. It looks just like us.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's just the top. It'll be alright.
No, we're gonna fuck bottom, that's from the back forward.
Yeah.
That looks like our Georgetown. Yep.
Did it get you got four? You got the fuck out of there, man.
They run good. We got one that runs pretty decent. It's got a 2x4.
Chain welded every fucking thing there is.
Yeah.
You know, if you didn't wear through the
Almost
sights
beat
on the right
fucking
mirror,
Stu-
he would
or
have
Shepherd.
had one more car. Yeah.
Can't tell. It's a tough to tell. Chip, you know what I mean? They get torque on.
Yeah, but the other thing bumped up. Nah, belly panel's alright. No, it's okay. I think it's just rear clip.
GoPro by any chance? Probably not. Oh, this is gonna be fun. So fun! We're finding bits and pieces! Oh no! No? No? Oh wait. Yeah, this one's definitely mine. Okay, where's thy camera? Oh, no, that ain't mine. Guys. Starting to water the track. Just took a whole lap. I'm praying someone got it. Oh man, they're all starting up the trucks. Okay. Kudos to them. I give them credit. They're working on the track as soon as it's over. I respect that. So I gotta get off. Oh wow. Alright. So I want Taco Bell, so we got Taco Bell. They almost tried charging us like quadruple the amount, and it popped up. I was like, holy crap, how is it gonna be that expensive at Taco Bell?
$64 for this.
Yeah, I was like, hold on, I know I wanted a lot of Taco Bell to sit and feel sorry for ourselves together, but I didn't want to.
It was really.
That was
$30-something.
Yeah. So, Mike, what do you got?
Oh, wrecked.
Yeah.
Car on main side hit the inside wall. His front end popped up in the air, went to the right, hit me, sent me into the outside wall. Wrecked my favorite car.
I know. Poor girl.
Very disappointed.
Even bent his seat. Like, you hit that hard.
Yeah, hit pretty hard.
That's insane.
Sat there for a minute thinking, that hurt. This sucks. Our night's over. And then the safety guys came over and they said, try and steer it. And I said, I steered it. And it steered. And they looked at the left side and the left rear and they go, I think you can drive it. So I drove it into the pits and they put a left rear tire on it because the wheel was bent.
Yeah.
And I took off and ran the first 100 laps, went a lap down. Then finally got to work on the car and they straightened the front toe out back. It had toe in, which was the car did not turn. And the left front shock slider kept sliding down instead of up, which was really weird. We fixed that and the car turned again. I was like, okay. Rear clips bent over and there's some serious damage to the frame, which again is horrible because it's my favorite car. I would have rather wrecked any other car than that one. And I guess I shouldn't have brought it to Oswego.
What was your favorite car? You know?
Yeah. Well, I brought it as a back. I brought it as a backup car.
Yeah, really.
But,
that sucks. But
primary car wasn't as good, so we went to my favorite car, and just didn't qualify good enough to stay away from the shenanigans, you know. And sometimes that happens. So.
Well, tomorrow we'll be starting a little bit better. I think we start 14th.
Yep.
So there's
that car's new. I really hope I don't wreck that one.
God, stop it. Me too.
So that would really make things horrible.
Yeah.
So that if you ever try to get that in the head of a race car driver, it definitely hurts his ability to race without care, I guess you could say, because it's like I'm already down. It's pretty hard to take risks because you're already down. Down a car, don't want to be down another car. So yeah, I'll watch the video, see if there's anything I could have done. But I really don't think I could have done anything. I don't know. I just was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Yeah. Let's see if I even have any footage, guys. Who knows?
The rear camera got screwed. But
the rear camera's gone.
The front camera should have got it.
And it happened within the first 10 laps, so it better have gotten it. Because I know by the time you came in for lap 100, I didn't see the red blinking light.
Oh.
So.
And they wouldn't lay over the wall to fix it. They were upset with me for looking at the car because they were only supposed to have 5 guys over the wall, not including the driver.
But the driver's technically already over the wall, right? So,
right, but I'm not supposed to work on the car, I guess.
Well, working on the car.
Which I think is fair.
Yeah.
I just...
but you should be able to look at your car.
I was just trying to look at it because...
You're wrecked.
Well, it was pretty bent, so I was just worried that something was going to break, like at speed, and then wreck again.
Well, it's not just moved over, it's like cracked, the frame.
Yes. So something could break.
Like the fuel cell has been moved.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely a lot of...
But I was racing behind some cars. Before I got lapped, I was behind cars that didn't even have a whole right side.
I know.
One guy didn't have a rear bumper.
Yes.
God. His whole rear was flapping around. It was crazy. I was following a car that was smoking for like 80 laps.
Well, yeah, so I figured maybe, I didn't know if it was water or oil, if he was blowing it on you, so I got tear-offs ready, thinking like you wouldn't be able to see anything, but I guess it really wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, track kind of took rubber on the bottom. I hope it doesn't do that tomorrow. I kind of got to where we just got to where the next caution I was going to get my lap back.
Yep. Never.
And we never got the caution because we were just kind of rolling around the bottom single file. So I don't know. There's a big the track's really smooth. That was nice. There's one big bump off the 2 where the car kind of leaves the ground, hits the rev chip every lap, which is not good on the engines.
Your crew did also.
And yeah, I gotta give them props. Everybody worked hard in the pits all day, and then in the hot pit area to get me fixed up and back in action.
Yeah,
guys did a great job. So thankful to have a great crew, and hopefully tomorrow things go our way.
Yeah, so tomorrow it's gonna be great. We're gonna start off with last chance qualifier because Billy's got one more chance to make it into the big dance. So we got that first thing. So we're gonna get to the track around 10, and yeah, so we're gonna go to bed. And hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to the newsletter, become part of Club DTU over on Patreon, and come back tomorrow.
Let me know if you're good at putting on clips.
Rear clips.